as you can see, this water level is getting just way too close to the top of the fill valve. What we'll do is start running, and wanted to show you how you can adjust the fill. There's a couple ways. You can adjust the post height by loosening the collar nut down here and pushing the deal on further. That's like a major adjustment. And then a more minor adjustment is just to turn it here to increase the length of the spindle in between so that the water shuts off further. So I'll show you that here. And for minor adjustments, that works just fine. You can see the post is getting longer, so it's going to shut off the water sooner. Anyway, I pretty much adjusted on the way. Now we'll flush it and see how much it fills up. And if that's not enough, then we'll slip the collar nut up and push the whole thing down on the post. It's a little bit longer here. There we go. That's perfect. So now it's just not so high. I'm going to shut off sooner, not getting so close to overflowing the fill tube. Anyway, that's one way to adjust it. And I'll show you the other way here. The other way is right here. You would reach down, slip this up, and then push the whole thing down on the fill tube. And that's a little bit safer to shut off the water. I just slipped the cap back on. But anyway, that's how you can adjust your water levels for optimum flush. If you needed to increase your flush power, you could set it so the water is a little bit higher. This is a gravity flush toilet. So anyway, that's how to adjust the fill valve on your toilet. If you had the old ball cock style, sometimes you can bend the arm down so that the float shuts off sooner if you needed to. Also, they have an adjustment screw on the top of the ball cock assembly. But that's another story for another day. Good to go.